Welcome to this course on statistics for accountants and finance managers. This is one of the beautiful discipline where this is something which is applied everywhere nowadays. So this discipline does not have a boundary. It is applied everywhere. I mean, I can say it is used in commerce, it is used in hospitality, it is used in science, it is used in public services, it is used in defense, it is used by government for various data. So statistics is something now which has wide application in varied areas like public services, defense, banking, insurance, to mention importantly. So this subject is not confined to one particular boundary, but it has wide or varied application. So we should understand the importance of statistics, and for that we should understand what is statistics. Statistics is something which is related to collection of data. I mean, you would be collecting data. Why these data is collected? The data is collected for analyzing purposes. And why do you want to analyze the data? It is to infer something from the data. And why do you want to infer? It is to make or take a meaningful decision. So statistics plays a very important role in enriching a particular domain by collecting data in that field, analyzing the data, and applying various statistical techniques so that you can have statistical inferences about the particular domain or particular discipline. So to summarize, statistics is something which is now having universal application. Why I'm using the word universal? Because statistics is employed everywhere. Say for example, government make use of statistics to do their economic planning. So government is making use of statistics data for economic planning. The businessman will make use of the statistics for planning and expanding his business. So the most of the research scholars of today apply statistics to present their research. Even the politicians, they use statistics. They use statistics numbers to convince the public about their party and about their campaign. So statistics is something now which is having universal application, and if we say, the list will go on and on. Hence it is necessary to study the subject of statistics in an what is known as objective manner, and we'll do that in this course.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you wish to learn more on this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.